One thing that you may need to do from time to time is to take a large PDF file. Let's say it's a PDF file that you want to share with your students or with another person. And the PDF file is really large. Maybe it's 50 or 100 pages big, but you only want a few pages from that PDF file. Google Drive can actually help you modify the PDF file to take it from a really big file down to just a few pages. To use Google Drive to do that, you select New, File Upload, and just find the PDF file. Here I've just got like a really large technology guide for star testing that's a bunch of pages. Once I upload this to Google Drive, I'm going to just click Recent here so that I can find it easily. There it is. Once I open this, I'm going to pretend that I'm going to print this file. So I'm going to click the printer icon up here in the upper right hand corner. Now when you go into the print dialog, you'll notice that it gives you some options, and one of those options is to save as a PDF file rather than printing it to a printer. And let's just say that I want the first 5 pages of this document instead of all of the pages that make up this document. I can click down here where it says Pages, and I can select, instead of all, this little radio button here. I can include pages 1 through 5, and then I can click Save, and it will take that really large PDF file and it will scale it down to just those first 5 pages that I told it to actually save. And I'm just going to say Testing Guide Light. And I'm just going to put it back in my Google Drive. And now when I go to Google Drive, I'm going to go to Recent again to find that file that I just saved. There's the testing guide. And instead of dozens and dozens and dozens of pages, you'll notice that it's only 5 pages long now. And that's much easier. It's a smaller file. It's easier to share. It's a lot less confusing than a file that would have hundreds of pages. Another nice thing is if the pages are not contiguous. In other words, let's say we have pages 1 through 5, and then we want to share maybe 11 through 15. We can do that as well. We just click Pages, the radio button where it says Pages, and we use commas. So if we want 1 through 5, along with 10 and maybe 20, we just separate those with commas. Do the same thing. We hit Save. I'm going to put this in my Google Drive again. I'll just call this one Guide 2. And it puts it in our Google Drive. So now that when we go here and we click Recent, there's Guide 2. And it should have pages 1 through 5, as well as 10 and page 20.